Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. It's teaching day here. In this video we learn how to convert black and white photos to color photos. So let's go to start the video. At first we need a bot that link in description and in our Telegram channel. Then we click on link. Click on Start Bot. Then we send it our photos that here you can watch. I send 3 photos to the bottom and we wait until he send us the colorful photos. Please like and subscribe. And share with your friends.